Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to adjust regenerative braking settings on the Tesla Model Y. On newer versions of this vehicle, you cannot fully disable regenerative braking. The system only allows you to reduce it, so you can choose how strong or mild the deceleration feels when you lift your foot off the accelerator. Start by tapping the vehicle icon on the main touchscreen to open the controls menu. This is where all driving settings are located. Next, go into Dynamics, or in some versions it may be listed as Pedals and Steering. Once you open this section, look for the deceleration or regenerative braking option. You will see two main choices. Standard gives strong regenerative braking, which slows the car quickly and supports one-pedal driving. Reduced limits the effect, allowing the car to coast further and feel more like a traditional vehicle. After choosing your preferred setting, you can also adjust how the car behaves when coming to a stop. Go back to Controls, then open Dynamics again and find Stopping Mode. Here you can select Hold, Creep, or Roll. Roll gives the most natural coasting feel, similar to a gas-powered car, while Hold stops the car fully when it comes to rest. Once you have made your selections, simply drive normally to feel the difference. You can always return to this menu and change the settings again if needed. Thanks for watching.